one last look at the KDX before we tear it down. Doing crank seals, whatever else the engine needs, hopefully not much. I plan on leaving the piston and all that as long as it looks good. I'm going to be doing the YZ fork conversion, which I have right over there. And yeah, we'll see what else. Hopefully it won't be down for too long. I want to get it torn down and fixed back up and ready to ride as soon as I can. All right, here it is. 200cc two-stroke. Time to tear this thing down and see what's needed. I don't know. Maybe we'll reuse the piston and all that stuff. So I looked in the reeds look good. So yeah, see what happens. Got the spark plug, it looks pretty good. I don't know, maybe have 5 or 6 hours on this one in particular. Alright, and there's our compression number. Got about 140 psi. Now this is obviously on a cold engine, and we're at 7,000 feet elevation, so gonna be a little bit lower than you sea level people. And here's our reeds. Look good. Keep rolling with those. Alright, and cylinder head off. I don't know, what do we think? It looks pretty carboned up to me. I don't know, might just have to throw a piston in there. Alright, and I am not a dummy, because I read the instructions. This nut here is reverse thread. It's always funny when you see posts online about people breaking that. Duh. That's off. Okay, cylinder off. Looks pretty decent. You know, it's got some scratching marks in it, but I think it's gonna be okay. I don't feel anything with my fingernail. It feels totally smooth. So that's good news. Piston. And feels pretty good. I don't feel any weirdness on it. It's nice and smooth. But I don't know. That carbon, I mean, it's pretty chunky on there. But crankshaft feels nice and tight. Piston's made in Japan, so I don't know what kind of piston it is, but maybe it's a Kawasaki. It's definitely not original, but I don't know. Okay, and there's our piston removed. Looks pretty good. This bearing here, roller bearing, looks really nice. Got a good amount of oil on it. That's good. We'll let that one roll. And we've got no up and down play on the connecting rod, so that's good. Just a little side to side, which is okay, but none up and down. Nice and tight. Okay, so this is pretty funny, I guess. Well, for one, I found out I've got a flywheel weight, but the end of my crankshaft is broken. Check that out. Nice. So that's a fun surprise. I'm still waiting on my flywheel puller tool to show up. Looks like it was supposed to be out for delivery tomorrow, but now tracking says it is in California now, which is nowhere near my house. So thank you, USPS. Always doing an amazing job. So I don't know when the hell that flywheel puller is going to show up. It's probably going to bounce all over the country now. I'm sure somebody threw it in the wrong sorting bin or some shit like that. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to do about this. The bike was fine, so I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be too worried. But yeah, I was hoping to not find out some shit like this is going on, so stay tuned. We'll do another update video once I get the flywheel puller tool and go from there. So it's kind of everything that's taken apart right now. All right, until next time.